Hi friends, my name is Prashant. I'm having 9 plus years of software experience. I'm basically from Hyderabad. Today I'm connecting from Bangalore. So this is the fourth talk of the In Speech series, which is started by the Grit to Glory Personal Growth Club. So the main intention of this series is to become the better version of yourself. So coming to the topic is self-management sequence. Just by hearing the name itself, I think most of the people have got a basic idea how we are managing yourself, how we are managing self. We see so many people in our life, right? So some people will be ultra successful, some people will be successful, some people will be always average and cribbing about everything. If you just go deep and just think about that, everybody we know, if they do the right things in a right way for a long time, they will definitely be successful. But if the same person is doing wrong things in a wrong way for a long time, definitely he's gonna fail. This is like basic truth. This everybody knows. But if you observe, everybody, even though they don't want to do something, but they will do that. You can relate, right? Sometimes we'll just after doing something we will just think like, yeah, I shouldn't have done like that. Yeah, why did I do like that at that moment? It happens, right? It happens with everybody. So why these actions or why our behavior is different with different kinds of people? It is related to the feelings we have towards them or the feelings we have towards that particular thing. Because of our feelings only our actions will be there, right? So I'll give an example. If you see a small kid, if a mother is feeding like rice to him, what he will do? He will close his mouth or he will run far away. But if he sees an ice cream or a chocolate in a mother's hands, what he will do? He will directly run towards the mother and he will grab it. Yes or no? So whatever actions the person is doing is interdependent on the feelings they have towards them. So how these feelings have come? Did it come from birth? No, right? We'll develop feelings on day to day from our birth. Slowly, slowly, we develop some feelings, some good feelings towards some things, some bad feelings towards some other things. So all these feelings are dependent on our attitude towards them. What we have attitude. Some people will say, right? Especially for youngsters, they will say, "Yeah, this guy is having a very bad attitude. He always gets very rough and fearful, angry all the time." Even some older people also, we can relate this. They will have bad attitude for everything. Whatever we tell to them, they will always react very angrily, very ferociously, furiously, and all. But a person who has good attitude, even if he has a problem, he tries to solve the problem by finding n number of ways. At least one way he will be able to, one correct way he will be able to find out to solve that problem. But a bad person always sees a problem in every solution. If a person says, okay, try this one or two ways, it might work, means he will tell, no, no, in this is the issue, in that is the issue. People will tell like that. So always have a good attitude. So same thing. The attitudes also how we develop. It won't come like overnight, or we are not just born with that, right? Our attitudes are coming because of our belief system. From our childhood, we have some beliefs, right? There are some superstitions also which are not true. Best example is if you see a cat, we'll think it's a bad omen. We have to just wait and we have to go in another way, or we have to start after some time. And if somebody sneezes, our generally people will say like, okay, sit, have water, and then go. I'm not sure whether it is right or wrong, but we are just believed that to be it's considered as a bad omen, so better to follow them. Our beliefs. One more example I can say is Some people always say like in another country all the people are bad. Same thing happens in that country. So their students are taught like in this country all the people are bad. Do you think all are bad? No, right? In every country, some people will be bad, most of the people will be good. But due to our belief system, we blindly think all the people in that country are bad. Yes or no? But is it really true? I don't think so. So how we got this belief system? So our belief system is dependent on our programming, on our inputs which were embedded into our brain from our childhood. We got so much information, so much repetitive thoughts, repetitive emotions, repetitive knowledge which got imbibed in our brain, like that person is bad, that person is bad, don't do friendship with this guy, don't do friendship with this guy, don't talk to this guy, don't do this thing. If people says, our parents or relatives or friends, cousins, brother, anybody, if they say repetitively and we believe that it is true, then even though whether it is true or not, we will just accept it to be true and we will do accordingly. So our programming will just describe our belief towards that. So our belief will in turn create the attitude towards certain things. So our attitudes creates feelings, our feelings creates actions. So whatever actions or whatever behavior we have or we do, that will create the results. Actions creates results. So if the programming is good, everything is interdependent and our actions will be good. So actions creates results. Good actions creates good results. Bad actions creates bad results. So the good news is whatever belief or attitude or feeling or programming, whatever you have from childhood, if you are mature enough, if you want to change for good thing, the programming, whatever you have, can be changed. So the self programming can be changed. So how you will change the programming? From our childhood, we got so much input, right? So how you will change? For any situation, if you are feeling any fearful or not having a right attitude to do that, just you have to do self programming. You have to do the self talk. Like, I am the best, I am the best, I am a champion, I am a winner, I can do this, I will be able to do this, I am doing better than yesterday, I am doing better than 1 month ago, something like that. If you have this self talk continuously, after certain months and years, your brain believes that you are already good at it. So once you have the programming, your belief, your feelings, your attitude, and your actions will be always good, which will create good results and you will get the success. So this is a self-management sequence. It starts from the programming to beliefs, to attitudes, to feelings, to actions. So have a good self-programming and do the good actions. Hope I have added some value today. Thank you.